In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in, all the way to sharing your finished survey so you can start collecting responses quickly and confidently. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the menu. In that menu, click on the option labeled Audience. When you click it, it will expand to show more options underneath. From that list, choose Surveys. This takes you to the survey area. At the top right of this page, click Create New Survey to start building a brand new one. Next, it's time to set up your survey. Begin by giving your survey a name. Choose something clear that will help you recognize it later, especially if you plan on creating multiple surveys. Then, select the audience for this survey. This is the group of contacts you want to target. Once you've chosen the audience, click Begin. You'll now start adding your questions. To add a question or section, click the plus icon. A drop-down will appear with several options, such as introduction, radio buttons, checkboxes, range, open text, email, contact information, or content block. Choose the type that best fits the information you want to collect. For example, if you add an open text question, you'll see a field where you enter your question and a space below that where respondents will type their answer. You don't need to fill in the answer field yourself. That's reserved for your audience. Continue choosing section types, writing your questions, and adding answer choices where needed until your survey is complete. When you're happy with your questions, click Continue to Design in the top right corner. Now you can customize the appearance of your survey page. On the right-hand side, you'll see three sections: branding, custom messaging, and styles. Click each one to expand it and explore the settings. Here you can adjust things like your logo, colors, text, and any messages you want people to see before or after they complete the survey. Take a moment to make it match your brand or the tone of your project. Once you're finished, click Review in the top right. On the review screen, double-check your survey details. Look over the survey name, the audience you selected, and your notification settings, such as immediate notifications and daily summaries. When everything looks correct, click Continue in the top right. The page will reload and show you the different ways you can share your survey. You'll see options to send it by email, include it in automation, share a direct URL, or post it on social media. Choose whichever methods suit your needs and start sharing. And that's it. You've created a survey in Mailchimp and you're ready to collect responses.